Dear Rector, dear professors, dear students of the Zhubanov University in October, 85 years is a lot in a person's life, but much more in a university. The University of Zhubanov in Kazakhstan educates teachers, staff and experts for the economy. The university carries out scientific research in the field of sport, health, recreation and rehabilitation. We are grateful that we can cooperate with the university, which has such a high position in the science of Kazakhstan and Central Asia. We have students from the University of Zhubanov in Bydgoszcz. This is a very important aspect of the Polish-Kazakh friendship. Your university in October carries out international, very important research projects. Thanks to the rector of the University of Zhubanov, we have the Kazakh Elite Culture Center in Bydgoszcz. It is an important address in Poland for the promotion of Kazakhstan's culture. Together, we are working on the opening of a branch of the University of Bydgoszcz at the University of Zhubanov. The great thinker, poet, Kazakh master Abay Kunanbayev stated, "Man must research, see the secrets of the universe." For 85 years, your university was guided by this truth. On behalf of the University of Economics in Bydgoszcz, I wish you many more years of scientific, didactic and cultural success.